Support for KUOW comes from Seattle Opera, presenting Beatrice and Benedict, Berlioz's adaptation of Shakespeare's Much Ado About Nothing, conducted by Seattle Symphony's Ludovic Morlot and directed by ACT Theater's John Langs, February 24th through March 10th. Details at seattleopera.org.
Support for KUOW comes from Kaiser Permanente, who believes the way to stay healthy is to not get sick in the first place, focusing on prevention, screenings, and helping keep members healthy. More at kp.org/Hello Washington. Kaiser Foundation Health Plan of Washington. A few clouds, 44 degrees now in Seattle at 5:20.
Support for NPR comes from this station and from Cancer Treatment Centers of America, which publishes treatment results for 11 types of cancer, including quality of life ratings to help patients and their caregivers make informed choices about their care. Learn more at cancercenter.com. From Farmers Insurance, committed to